If you need to contact your energy supplier in writing, our online templates can help. You can use them for an email, web chat, or writing a letter. You'll find the templates on our website. Click the Help and Support option, then choose Write to your energy supplier templates. There are different templates for different issues, from estimated bills to fuel debt to compensation for missed appointments. Choose the template that best relates to your issue. On each page, you'll find a list of the things you need to fill out the template. If you're not sure where to find something, click the information icon for extra help. Once you've got this information, you can start filling out the template. Click the bold parts of the template to add information. It's important to fill out all the sections so your supplier gets all the information they need to help with your issue. Once you've filled out the template, you can copy it, download it, or download it as a PDF. If you copy the template, you can paste it into an email or web chat. If you download it, you can print it out and post it to your energy supplier as a letter. At the bottom of the page, you'll find advice on what to expect next and what to do if your energy supplier doesn't solve your issue. So, if you need a bit of extra help writing to your energy supplier, head over to our website and check out our templates.